Imagine teaching a child how to recognize a cat. You don't explain biology, muscles, or fur patterns. You simply show thousands of pictures and say, this is a cat, this is also a cat, and this is not. Over time, the child starts recognizing patterns on their own. AI learns in a surprisingly similar way. But here's the key difference. AI doesn't actually think like humans do. It doesn't understand emotions, meaning, or consciousness. Instead, it learns by discovering mathematical patterns in enormous amounts of data. During training, an AI model is fed massive datasets containing text, images, videos, or audio. Inside the model are millions, or even billions, of mathematical values called weights. At first, these weights are essentially random, so the AI makes terrible predictions. Every time it gets something wrong, an algorithm measures the error and slightly adjusts those weights. This process repeats over and over, sometimes trillions of times. With each adjustment, the model gets a little better at predicting patterns. Eventually, it becomes remarkably good at tasks like completing sentences, recognizing objects, generating images, translating languages, writing code, and answering questions. Take ChatGPT as an example. It doesn't understand facts the way humans do. Instead, it generates responses by predicting the most likely next pieces of text based on patterns it learned during training. If you ask, "What is the capital of France?" it responds with Paris, because that pattern consistently appeared throughout its training data. It builds its answer one piece at a time, using probability at an enormous scale. This also explains why AI can sound incredibly intelligent while still making mistakes or even confidently inventing information. It isn't reasoning exactly like a human brain. It's recognizing patterns and making statistical predictions based on what it has learned. So the next time an AI gives you an answer, remember what's happening behind the scenes. Billions of mathematical calculations are transforming patterns from data into a response in just a fraction of a second. Like what you just learned? Subscribe to Learn with Whiteboard for more simple, visual explanations of technology.